everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy Mbaazi recipe and it's going to be very delicious. Even though here I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipe. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed my pot and I've added cooking oil. And over here I have a couple of ingredients. This recipe is very easy and straightforward. Yeah, it's that easy. So I have onions, I have tomato, assorted peppers, 3 cloves of garlic which I've diced, and I have 2 cups of mbaazi and some potatoes and a few spices. Yeah, so I'm going to add in my onions to my pot together with my garlic. I want everything to cook until golden brown, so I'm going to add them both. Stir in the onions and garlic. My garlic and onions are starting to brown, so I'm going to add in my raw mbaazi. This is not boiled, it is just raw. Then I'm going to stir in once combined. I'm going to add in a very small amount of salt. Then I'm going to stir in the salt. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Stir in. I'm going to be boiling my mbaazi for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pick one to check if it's ready. Squish the mbaazi in between my fingers, and once it's very mushy, my mbaazi is ready. So yeah, today I chose to boil mine this way because I want to add a lot of flavor. You can choose to boil aside, yeah, and you'll still be good to go. So the garlic and onions are going to add a lot of flavor to my mbaazi because they're going to be boiling in that sweetness from the onions and the garlic, which is very fragrant. After several minutes, my mbaazi is ready. So this is how they're looking. So I'm going to add in some spices. So I have some curry powder, garlic powder, and paprika, and 1 beef stock cube. I'm adding the stock cube because I want my mbaazi to have a very nice flavor. And then I'm going to stir in. This already looks so good. Just look at that color. So next I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. Stir. And then I'm going to cover and let this cook until the tomatoes are mushy. Just look at how my mbaazi is looking. This looks absolutely delicious. So next I'm going to be adding in some potatoes with some water. Stir in the water into the mbaazi or into the tomato sauce, and then I'm going to cover and let this simmer until the potatoes are cooked through. That is about 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. It's been around 5 minutes and my potatoes are almost cooking through. So I'm going to add in my capsicum. Stir. Look at my mbaazi too. This looks so good. So I'm going to give this a minute, and then I'm going to garnish with some coriander and serve. turn off the gas and my mbaazi stew is ready, or mbaazi curry is ready. So I'm going to serve mine with rice, white rice, and then I'm going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next episode. And if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a like.